first you turn it on in here, you turn it on in here, and then you can choose the Cavi and the RF mode, which is in here, and then you can see the Cavi, which is the ultrasonic. We have 10 levels in total, and also same as RF, radio frequency. We have 10 levels in total. But if you're the first time for using it, I would suggest you turn it down into level 3 RF, and also the ultrasonic. Turn it down to level 3, and then we do it for 15 minutes. So here you can see it's already turned on, right? It's already turned on here. So right now, simply apply some gel on your skin. Apply some gel on your skin like this. And then now we're going to use the machine to massage on your skin for 15 minutes. Okay? This one is really good for you to double effect your working result, and also for you to solidify the workout result. Because it can help you to tighten the skin, relax the muscles, and also reduce the cellulite. So this one is going to be the best choice for you.